Welcome to JV's tutorial classes. So today we are going to discuss about BufferedReader. BufferedReader is a Java class which will help us to take interactive inputs. So today we are going to write a program to calculate the volume of a cylinder using the BufferedReader. So this is the program. Write a program in Java using BufferedReader to calculate the volume of a cylinder. So okay. So for that, open the notepad first. So obviously the BufferedReader also belongs to a particular package. That package is IO package. So we have to write import java dot io dot star. So we have to write this statement to import the package that contain the BufferedReader. Then we will write public class. Then we will write demo BufferedReader. I am taking the name to be as br. Okay, you can name it anything. Then I will write public static void main, which is the main function, string args. Since we are going to calculate the volume of a cylinder, and the volume of the cylinder is calculated by pi r square h, so we need the value of pi. So I will take the value of pi to be double. Pi will be pi is equal to 3.14285. This is the pi value. Okay, then I need another values, that is integer value. I need the radius, so I am taking the value to be as radius. Then I need height, also the height of the cylinder. So these are the two variables I need, so I have taken these two variables, declared as integer variables. Then buffer reader, we have to create an object for buffer reader. Buffer reader, I'm taking the buffer reader object as br. You can name it anything, you can write ob, there is no problem. So new buffer reader, FFERED, buffer reader, READER, reader. Buffer reader alone cannot do it, so we have to take the help of another class. That class is input stream reader. So we have to write new input stream reader system.in. system.in. So after this one, then buffer reader is entered, put a semicolon. This, since we have to deal with exception handling, we have to write here throws IO exceptions. Throws throws IO exceptions. We have to write throws IO exceptions. Then after that, we have to give a statement to interactively take the radius and height from the screen. So I will write system dot out dot println, enter the radius of the cylinder. Enter the radius of the cylinder. So this is the statement, and we have to collect it the radius in radius variable. So I will write dius radius is equal to, for that we have created the object as br dot read line, br.readline. But the thing is that whenever we are writing readline function, we are calling the readline function, then what happen, this will collect only the string format. So we have to convert into integer format. So we have to write it integer dot parse int. So now what happened, the radius has been converted into integer type. Now similarly we will collect the height also. For that we have to write system.out.println, enter the height of the cylinder, height. I have just copied and pasted. So here I am replacing the variable to be height. Now we have to calculate the volume of the cylinder, and since the volume of the cylinder will be of double type, so I will write here volume, declare volume as here volume. So here we will write volume is equal to pi r square h. So pi into r into radius into height. This is the formula for calculating the volume of a cylinder. Now after calculating the volume of the cylinder, we have to display the result, that is the volume of the cylinder. So for that we have to again take the print statement, that is system.out.println. So I'm just copying this one. paste it. Sorry. Println. Here I am writing the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is, then put a plus, then the variable that contain the volume is volume. So I'm placing this one. Done. So this is the program. Then save it as br demo br dot java. Since the class name and the file name should be same in Java programs dot Java. Okay. After that, open the command prompt cmd. Okay. Go to the particular location where you have saved it. I have saved in D drive location, then Java programs. Then I am compiling this one demo br. So demo br is the program. Let's check whether there is any error or not. Okay. Since there is no error, I am running this program Java demo br. Sorry. Demo beer. So it will give us a screen. It will appear as enter the radius of the cylinder. I am giving the radius of the cylinder to be 8, and suppose I am giving the height of the cylinder to be 5. So the result will be the volume of the cylinder is 1005.712. This is the way how we can calculate the volume of a cylinder by using the buffer reader class. So I think hope everyone has understood the use of buffer reader. I have also given the program in this particular slide also. So this is the program I have just explained you. For compilation, what we have to write java c, then the file name dot java, and for running the program we have to write java then the file name without extension. After that, it will ask you for the radius of the cylinder. Okay, then after entering the radius, it will ask you for the height of the cylinder, and ultimately it will give us the volume of the cylinder. With this I am ending the today's class. Hopefully you have understood this one, and if you like the program, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.